Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this insanely short and basic video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate that you can log in to Discord. So this process does not diverge depending depending from the system that you use. Should it be iOS or Android, the procedure is somewhat same, or well, not even somewhat, it's close to being identically same. So launch the Discord app. At the main page you'll find the login button, then enter your account email address, onwards enter the password as well. Then tap at the login button over here, and if the credentials you have entered are correct and correspond to an existing Discord account, you will sign into your Discord profile easily like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.